Intelligent agriculture has helped Henan province, a major grain-producing base in central China, better manage the farmlands with over 85 million mu of wheat during the spring farming season. In Xunxian County, Hebei City, sprinklers are working based on the information provided by an intelligent agriculture control center. Technicians have analyzed data through an Internet of Things platform to better control fertilization, irrigation, and pesticide use, which greatly reduces labor costs, saves water, and improves work efficiency.
物级数字农业这实施能够很好的促进我们对大田生产的管理，能够帮助我们更好的实现绿色食品种植。
我们通过前一段这个苗情调查，就明显好于往年，很有信心呢，把今年这个夏粮生产打好一个好的基础，为这个夏粮丰收，提供我们这个技术保证。